What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install a speed bleeder onto a T56. This install is going to require you to have your transmission removed, because doing this in the car would about be impossible because you don't really have much room to thread in the speed bleeder here. But with it out of the car, it's pretty much easy. So to get started here, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the factory bleeder on the slave cylinder. And to do that, you'll need a, that is an 11 millimeter. So we're going to go ahead and take that off. Set that aside. Now we'll take our speed bleeder here. That is the transmission end, and it says on the instructions to disconnect it right here and install this copper washer facing the slave cylinder. Alright guys, sorry I couldn't show you, that was kind of a two-handed job, but this is what it should look like once you have it installed onto the slave cylinder. The copper fitting should go between the slave and the speed bleeder line. So after you got that, it just routes out through the hole here, and you've got your whole speed bleeder here. You can route this up through the engine bay, just tie it off somewhere, that way you can bleed your clutch whenever you want to. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to doing this install. Next step is to put the trans back in the car and have fun with it. So I hope this video helps y'all out.